Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to fix broken zipper on handbags. Start by gently moving the slider up and down to locate the problem area, then use a magnifier or good light to inspect the teeth and slider. If teeth are bent, use small pliers to realign them. If the slider is loose, slightly pinch it to restore grip. Keep tools minimal and workspace clean for best results and less stress. Warm up the zipper by applying a tiny amount of lubricant like a graphite pencil or clear soap to the teeth so the slider moves more freely. Hold the slider steady and gently work it back and forth while pulling trapped fabric out, keeping fingers protected. If the slider is loose, carefully pinch its sides with small pliers to improve grip, testing movement often, until the zipper closes teeth evenly without skipping. When the slider is beyond repair, remove the top stop with pliers and slide the old slider off the teeth gently. Choose a replacement slider that matches the zipper size and tooth type, then thread it onto the teeth and check alignment before securing. Finish by crimping a new top stop or reattaching the original to prevent the slider from coming off, and test the zipper several times to confirm a reliable, smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.